Alright, how's it going everybody? My name is Anton and today we are changing oil on my custom Yamaha Bolt 2015. Alright, let me show you guys first what we need for the oil change. So I ordered actually the special pack from Yamaha, so they include the oil filter and even gloves. But for the better overview, let me show you guys what do we need for the oil change. Alright guys, as you can see, we need the wrench, then we need the Yamaha oil filter wrench. So I ordered this from Amazon. Then we need the oil filter. It's the genuine Yamaha filter. Then the laptop, usually I pull the manual from the bike, so to follow the exact instructions and also see how much oil actually we need to put in. And then we have oil, gloves, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, let's start. Alright guys, before we start with the oil change, we have to start the bike for a couple minutes just to make it oil warmer, so it's actually easier to flow. Alright, let's start the bike. I think this is enough. So what we're gonna do first, alright guys, let me show you where's the bolt is located for the oil drainage. So it's right there. Oh yeah guys, and I forgot my gloves. Let's put the gloves on. Yeah, but it was 17 millimeter. All right. So another thing what I forgot, actually we also need some papers if you don't want to mess up your garage, yeah? Oh yeah, another thing what I forget guys, you will also need one of this at least. This is the oil pan, so where you're gonna collect the oil, and then you also make sure, you have to make sure that you also dispose your oil properly. I also actually have to research on this, how to do it, but I saw some people put this like in the small canisters, and then when we have a garbage day, they just put it on the street, and I think they should pick this up. So I guess proper way to do it, so I will do it the same way. After the whole oil is drained, the next step will be to remove the oil filter. So let me show you where is it located. For the oil filter, you will need the special wrench from Yamaha. So this is how it look like. So it's pretty easy to remove. So you basically just plug it there and then turn it, and it should go out pretty easily. And the another thing what you should be careful of, so that's what I read on the internet. So when you pull this oil filter, so it can be that there's also some oil gonna come out, so that's definitely put also some pen down. This is how you can see in my case, I do the same thing. Alright, let's do that. So yeah, that slides perfectly. As you can see, also see some oil is coming out there. So I'm probably gonna put this like in the Ziploc bag. I guess I have now this from my wife. My wife use always Ziploc bags for everything. So, and then put it back in the original box, and then probably when I'm gonna put up my oil canister, disposal canister up, like for the garbage guy. Okay, I'm gonna also put it there. Okay, so when we install the new oil filter, they say to apply some engine oil on the O-ring. So I guess in this case it's gonna snag better on the bike. The new oil filter, it's supposed to be exact 4 liters, which is in US it's 4.23 quart. All right, I guess let's figure it out. Alright, I think it's a pretty good amount. Alright, let's put it back. Alright. Okay, so I think filter is installed. So it's right there. So you see this gasket over there? I think this is the old one. We're supposed to remove that and install this one, new one here. Alright, we're using again 17mm wrench, and then we're gonna put it back. We don't need actually this, I don't know why I'm holding this. So the oil is still dripping a little bit, so I just clean it up so the oil drain bolt is back. Alright, so the next step will be just to put the oil back, 4 liters, and we're done. And then we're gonna do some checks, so if it's enough oil in there. Alright, let's do it. So guys, let me show you actually. Let me show you how I'm gonna measure it. So I have this big canister of oil. So in here I have a measurement that says 4 liter. And I already used a little bit of this oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the small one into big one up to 4 liter. I'm just gonna put the inside then. And I guess this should be the perfect measurement. All right, let's see. All right. Alright, but in the meanwhile, let's dispose the oil. Alright guys, now it's time to start the bike. Alright, I guess now I have to let bike sit for a little bit and then check the engine oil. Alright guys, let's check the oil level. So guys, as you can see, oil level looks perfect. And I guess now it's time to take it for a ride. But first, let's put the bike down from the stand. Oh yeah, actually, I forget to mention. So if you guys actually want to work pretty comfortably on the bike, you will need this stand on the bottom. So the stand here makes it actually very easy to work on the bike. Yeah, this is this thing right here. Pretty cool, so definitely guys recommend it. All right, it's time to take it for a spin. All right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.